In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user and permissions in Mailgun. We'll walk through inviting a new teammate to your Mailgun account and assigning the right level of access, so they can do their work safely without exposing the rest of your settings. First, make sure you're signed into the Mailgun control panel with an admin account. This is important because only admin users have the ability to add and manage other users. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, double-check that you're using an admin login. Once you're in, head to User Management. You'll find it by clicking your profile menu in the top right corner of the control panel. From that drop-down, select User Management, or it might simply be labeled Users, depending on your interface. This is the central place where you can see existing users and control their access. Next, invite your new user. Click the Invite New User button. In the form that appears, enter the person's email address and their name. Then, choose a role for them. When you're confident the details are correct, click Invite User to send the invitation. Mailgun will handle the invite so the new user can join your account with the permissions you've selected. Mailgun uses role-based access control, often called RBAC. That means every user is assigned a role that defines exactly what they can see and do in the control panel. Choosing the right role is the key to keeping your account both productive and secure. Here's a quick guide to what each role typically allows. Admin is full access. Admins can manage users, API keys, domains, billing, and all account settings. Reserve this for people who maintain your Mailgun account at a high level. Developer is designed for building and maintaining email functionality. Developers can manage routes, webhooks, domain settings, and most Mailgun features needed for integration work. Support is focused on day-to-day operations. Support users can read most data and manage items like templates, mailing lists, and suppression lists. Billing is for finance access. Billing users can view and manage billing details and payment settings with limited access elsewhere. Analyst is mostly read-only. Analysts can view data and reports but cannot edit sensitive settings, making it a safe choice for stakeholders who need visibility without the ability to change configurations. When selecting a role, match it to the person's responsibilities and follow the principle of least privilege. Grant only what's necessary. That's all there is to it. Log in as an admin, go to User Management, invite the new user, pick the right role, and send the invite.